Hey you! I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make bullet journal videos that help you move through the lunar phases with your journaling practice. And I also talk about spirituality for those of us who are religious, who are not religious, atheists, and just looking for connection, and also for those of us just who want to connect back to nature. Today is day 8 of Vlogtober, and there's a quote that I wanted to share with you from Brene Brown. Spirituality is recognizing and celebrating that we are all inextricably connected to each other by a power greater than all of us, and that our connection to that power and to one another is grounded in love and compassion. Practicing spirituality brings a sense of perspective, meaning, and purpose to our lives. I feel like this quote really sums up how I feel about spirituality because I'm not a religious person, as I've said in my other videos. I'm just spiritual but not religious. So I really thrive on connection, and that's what spirituality means to me. It means connection. It means connection back inward to my true self, and then also connection back out to the community and to nature and to the local ecosystems and to others. So this quote really resonated with me. I have definitely found that having a spirituality practice has given me a renewed sense of purpose. I struggle with depression and anxiety, and I've talked about that in some of my videos before. And this spirituality practice that I have through my journaling practice has given me a better perspective on life, and it's also connected me inward to myself and also back out to the community. And I've really been enjoying delving deeper into that practice. Make sure you follow me and check out my other videos. I have a moon cycle journaling practice that I do in my bullet journal, and it's actually a goal setting practice. So I like to set goals 1 month at a time, and I use the moon's 8 phases to check in with myself to make sure I'm on track with my goals. And these goals can be spiritual goals that I've set for myself at the beginning of the year, or they can be more mundane goals that we all like to set, like weight liberation, or getting more movement into our lives, or reading more. I really enjoy using journaling as a spiritual tool. It gives me a chance to look back and see what was in my brain and what I was thinking, and then it also helps me move forward and move through any emotional pain that I've been feeling, and it helps me plan for the future. So I really love having a spiritual bullet journal practice, and I just love setting it in tune with the moon. So if you're curious about any of that, or if you want to follow me along on this journey, make sure you subscribe and click that little bell down below. That way you're notified every time I post a video. I post a lot of journaling videos, and you can also find me over on Instagram at Owls and Indigo. That's where I am most. Or over on the website, owlsandigo.com. That's where I share weekly spirituality tips, journaling prompts, writing prompts, little tidbits about the moon and how to move through the lunar phases with your goal setting, bullet journal videos, mental health and awareness, and my story. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.